guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video I wasn't even thinking about recording, and then I was like, that may be a really good idea. So I already have a girl emergency kit, and I was just gonna go in and, you know, revamp it, update it, take some things out, add some things in, and then I was like, this may be a really good video idea, just so you know us girls can get together and say, yes, you definitely need this, oh girl, you definitely got to add this to your girl emergency kit. So make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what I'm missing so I can go ahead and add some stuff to mine. But let me stop rambling. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So like I said, I already have a girl emergency kit, but like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and revamp it. I'm just gonna, you know, update it pretty much. And the first thing that I need to do is change out the bag. This bag was tired. I thought it was so cute because it says oh my gosh, and it was like a, you know, when you have an oh my gosh moment and what you need is in here. It was cute, but if you guys look at it, it was tired. This bag is very tired, so we just gonna go ahead and throw this in the trash over there. So here's the new bag that I picked up. It is this very cute little I don't know, like makeup bag. It is from Target. I believe it was like $14.99, and it is a really good size. I compared it to my old bag, and it is bigger, so I'm kind of happy about that because I was squishing things inside of that bag. So, and the design is just so much cuter. It's just giving me like spring, you know, minimalistic vibe. I love it. I love it. So let's go ahead and start filling this up. So here is the inside of the bag. I just went ahead and took all of the cushion out, you know, the stuff that makes it sit up. Now, what is a girl emergency kit without pads and tampons? Now, I do carry both because, you know, I never know what the next girl may need. Next to me, I always try to carry a little extra because I am that type of girl. If I overhear like a girl say she doesn't have something, I'm just like, here you go, like here you go, I have it, you can have it. So I always do try to carry extra of everything just in case I overhear someone needs something or someone asks me for it. I do not only try to be prepared for myself, I do try to be prepared for other females. So I do have 3 pads actually. I have 3 pads and a tampon, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this in here. While we're on the subject of, you know, menstrual cycles, let's just go ahead and add some Advil in here. I love Advil because it's perfect for menstrual cramps. I do try to hold off on taking medication when I can. When I'm home, I do like to use a heating pad, but when I'm out, I will go ahead and take an Advil. And this is, you know, like the little travel size. Super cute. I love how like convenient and small it is. So pop that in there. And while we're also talking about medication, I want to go ahead and throw that I do take a few Benadryls with me. I have allergies, especially around this time. Pollen is falling, y'all. It's horrible, and I hate to be somewhere and, you know, my nose starts to get to tickling, my throat starts tickling. I know it's allergies, y'all. It's not corona, it's my allergies. So I do go ahead and throw some Benadryl in my bag as well. Now, I do not throw the whole box of Benadryl in my bag, y'all. I just go ahead and take like 3 out just like this. And again, I always take a few extra, you know, just in case someone else states that, you know, their throat is itchy and their allergies are going off. That's like my #1 line. My allergies are going off. That's how y'all know I'm headed for Benadryl. As you guys see, I do wear glasses, but sometimes I do like to wear contacts, you know, just to give my eyes a break. So I do carry around a mini contact solution, you know, a little bottle. My old one was out. I also love the Renew brand, but BioTrue is really nice as well. And I love how they have the little compact sizes. These are perfect for girl emergency kits. Also, when you go on planes, I really love the Renew and the BioTrue brand. They really do moisturize your contacts. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this in there too. Since I am updating my emergency girl kit, I noticed that my contact re-wetting drops were expired, so we went ahead and picked up a new pack. And we cannot stay prepared without a little case for contacts. Now, I do not put a pair of contacts to come with me. I only bring a case for times that, you know, I want to take my contacts out. My contacts act up sometimes, like it can't only be me, but sometimes my contacts do act up and I'm just tired and I'm ready to take them out. So that is why I bring a case and I bring some contact solution so, you know, I can keep them moist. Now, this may be weird, but I did add a pair of nail clippers into my girl emergency kit. I get hangnails at the most weirdest time. Like literally, I'll be sitting at my desk at work and I'll get a hangnail, and once I notice it, all my attention is on it. I cannot let it go. And my goal is to get it out, and I'm not stopping until I get it out. We also got hand sanitizer, a compact mirror, lip balm, gum, a comb. We also have some hair ties and some bobby pins in the back right here. Now I would highly suggest that you keep some like neutral colors. You really don't want to go out with like the green, the purple. I would definitely keep a pair of white and black scrunchies in your bag. Also, a tip is to make sure your bobby pins aren't, you know, just flying around the bag. I would take them off like so and just take your hair tie and wrap them around like this, so it can, you know, kind of keep them together so they're not just flying around the bag everywhere and, you know, just loose. So it is wrapped up in here, and it's a hair tie, so this is perfect. And I'm going to put the black one in there as well. This is also a new addition to my girl emergency kit. Now this was so cute. I could not pick this up, but I was looking for band-aids because, you know, sometimes you do get a paper cut at work or whatever the case may be, and you don't have a band-aid on you. So I went in the band-aid out, and this little like mini first aid kit was in there, and I think this is so cute. Now I don't know if I'm gonna put the whole thing in there. I think I'm just probably like take one of each out. We'll see if I have room for the whole thing, because it'd be really nice just to keep this in there in itself, you know, like in its own compartment, so it's not, you know, like scattered around the bag. So we'll put this in last. Now for moisturizer, I do have 3 different types of moisturizers. Now I know this may sound crazy, but y'all hear me out, okay? So the first moisturizer that I have is a like body moisturizer, you know, arms, legs, you know, you may forget to lotion yourself before you leave the house. Okay, cool. And then I have a hand moisturizer. If you guys don't know, hand moisturizer is a little bit more thicker because it is for your hands, and you know, sometimes your hands can be cracked and dry. So that is why I like to have a hand cream and not, you know, just have a lotion. Following, I have a moisturizer for my face. Now this is out and it was tilted up, so that's why everything is, you know, like leaning to the top. But this is a mini Clinique moisturizing gel. Sometimes I notice that my face is dry and I'm in the car, you know, looking in my mirror, so I do have these 3 types of moisturizers. We have a Tide stick. I swear by this, so this is definitely going back in my bag. We have a little deodorant. This is a new addition that I'm going to be adding to my girl emergency kit. Now these are single wrapped makeup wipes. Now I thought about this because every time I go over to my boyfriend's house, like it's the end of the night and, you know, we just want to lay down and I have my makeup on. I don't want to lay down with my makeup on, and especially I do not want to fall asleep with my makeup on. I just think they're so cute that they're singly wrapped. It's so convenient. Like, I think it was an awesome idea. So we're just gonna go ahead and add about 3 to my girl emergency kit so I can take off my makeup whenever and wherever I have to. Next in the bag, we're going to go ahead and throw in some Kleenex, you know, just some nose tissue so we can go ahead and wipe our nose, because we don't want to use paper towel and irritate our nostrils, y'all. Don't use paper towels. Use something a little soft. Be a little nicer to your nose, okay? Moving on to the last bit of items. As you guys can see, I do have 3 different types of wipes here. Now, I know this may seem super extra, but let me explain to y'all, okay? So my baby wipes, I usually like to use, you know, like after I eat or something and I don't have like a paper towel, I'll use it on my hands, use it on my mouth, use it on my face. I'm fine with that. I love some baby wipes. These are the Natural Care sensitive skin. Like I said, guys, I have really sensitive skin, so anything I grab, I really try to reach for something that says hypoallergenic, because that is me. I need that. So that's what my baby wipes are for. My wet ones are for usually touching surfaces like a shopping cart. Now, I was doing this even before the pandemic started. I was always watching which surfaces I touch, because I know germs are real. Germs do not play. They do not discriminate. They don't care who you are or how old you are. No. So we always keep a pack of wet ones, okay? Especially on a plane. Especially traveling, for real, okay? And last but not least, for my wipes, I do have a pack. Sorry, they were upside down. I do have a pack of flushable wipes. These are self-explanatory. When I go inside the bathroom, I like to take these with me. In addition to toilet paper, I like to use an actual wipe. So I do love these. And I love to keep a spray in my bag as well. Now, I'm really upset because I don't have any smaller sprays. This is probably the smallest spray bottle I have. This is the Victoria's Secret Temptation body mist, and this smells so good. Like, so good. I prefer to take a body mist with me than to take an actual perfume. So that's why I love this, but this that is going to go ahead and conclude my girl emergency kit. Comment down below if you think I missed anything. Again, I love when we communicate in the comments. Also, let me know what I missed. Let me know if I need to add anything else to my girl emergency kit. That's if anything else fit, because y'all, my little bag over there looking a little stuffed. So yeah, let me know if I missed anything. Let's go ahead and conversate in the comments down below. And before I go, I just wanted to mention something else. You do not have to go out and buy mini sizes if you have something like this. Now, this is what I take onto trips with me. It is like a refillable toiletry bottle. If you have something like this, feel free to put lotion in here. As you can see, I have sunscreen in here, and I'm like super OD that I have to put labels on everything, so it does say sunscreen. And plus, y'all, you may think it's lotion, so okay, don't judge me. You may think it's lotion, so that's why I have to label almost everything, because you may think it's something and it's really not. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and put that out there. If you guys don't go out to the store to get miniature, you know, lotion or miniature whatever, don't worry about it. If you have these little toiletry refills, then definitely do that. Also, try to reach for something that can be refilled. Like for instance, my little lotion bottle from Bath and Body Works, it is the type that you can screw off and just add some lotion from your big bottle at home. Y'all, I'm all here for saving of money, okay? I'm all here for it. So do what you gotta do, boo. That is gonna go ahead and wrap up this girl emergency kit. I hope you guys really liked this video. Like I said, I wasn't even planning on recording it, and then I thought it would be a super awesome idea. So I hope you guys enjoy, and that is all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.